Hello everyone, welcome to Eman United Unity tutorial videos, and today we are going to learn how to make the camera follow the player. Alright, let's go in the scripts folder. Let's create a new script. Let's write camera CTRL for controller. Alright, let's put it inside the camera. Let's grab and drag it. Let's put it here. Alright, let's open it up. Alright. First, let's write a public. Let's write public transform with a capital T. Let's write player. Alright, and also in the void update, sorry, we are gonna write a comment, and let's say make the camera follow the player and the x-axis, because we only interested in making the player going horizontal. Alright, and now here let's write transform that position equal new vector 3. All right, player that position dot x, and then we're going to write transform that position that y, transform that position, and now we're calling z, that z. Alright, let's close this and put a semicolon. Alright, and save this. Now let's go back to the Unity. Let's click on main camera, and where you see player, let's grab player and drop it here. Here we go. And now we have the camera controller in the main camera and the player and player. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's hit play. Okay, I think the player is too far. Let's unplay this. Let's do a little fix here. Let's go on player. Let's put position. Let's position it to 0. Alright, and let's do a little, let's put it up a little bit, and let's drag this platform here. Let's grab the other one. Let's drop right here. That's fine. Alright, and let's hit play. Alright, as you can see, the camera is following the player. There you go. Alright, let's put a little bit more speed to the jump force. Let's put 3. That will do it. Let's click save, and let's play again. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's way better than before. As you can see, the camera is following the player and the player is jumping. Great. That's all for today, guys, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And on the next video, I will show you guys how to make the player not stuck to the side of the platform. Thanks again. Peace.
Have you ever felt Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.